An unhappy our Yorkshire Farm fan was left ticked off over a wasted trip to Ravenseat after turning up to find locked doors. Amanda Owen's on-site refreshments centre, which usually welcomes the show's viewers with warm drinks and cakes, was supposed to be open for business as usual. But despite being told it would be serving tea and coffee, the cafe was empty. That was bad news for one fan, who made a special trip to take a look around. It has been claimed that Amanda may have delayed the opening following difficult time in her personal life. Taking to the star's Instagram page, they wrote, "Your website said you were open yesterday, but when we got there the closed for winter sign still on gate. Such a shame." Amanda has only just made her return to social media with a cryptic post about trials and tribulations after her ex-husband Clive spoke out about their split. The 48-year-old shepherdess last posted on Instagram over a month ago, and fans were over the moon when she shared a new post. Amanda, who split from her husband Clive last year, has been focusing on her children, work projects and moving on from her 22-year marriage, as it's been reported she's become inseparable with a new man. After a social media break, she returned with a carousel of photos of her children and sheep on their farm. "Trials and tribulations," she captioned the post along with many sheep emojis. The former couple called it quits last year after telling fans the decision was the right choice for their family. However, they looked like pleased to be in each other's company recently as they grinned in a picture with their kids. Clive, 58, recently revealed why he and Amanda split up, blaming himself massively. Speaking on The Lorraine Show, he said, "I sadly made a right mess of things basically. I had a massive part to play in the relationship ending. A massive part to play. I was ranting and raving and drinking and carrying on. I don't know, jealousy. It seemed to eat away at me and I handled it badly and I behaved badly towards her. I should have been supportive. It's been really upsetting. Amanda's having a tough time at the moment. I just feel I can't sit back. I have to say something in her defense, she's a remarkable woman. We just got to the point where we couldn't be together anymore." Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.